Are you experiencing black screen on PUBG Mobile all of a sudden? If you're experiencing a black screen issue while playing PUBG Mobile on your iPhone, try this quick and advanced troubleshooting guide to fix the problem. Solution 1. Check the update. Open the App Store, find out the PUBG Mobile and check for an update. Solution 2. Offload the game. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the PUBG Mobile app. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Free up some space. Insufficient storage space on your iPhone might cause performance issues and can give you black screen issues. Try to free up some space by deleting unnecessary files and apps from your iPhone and check whether your problem is solved or not. So you can open up your storage setting on iPhone. After that, you can discover and delete unnecessary apps or games. Now give it a restart and your problem should be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.